Welcome back to Good Day Lab. You guys know it's Tax Talk Tuesday, and nobody can keep up with the changing tax laws that keep us on our toes like an established tax expert. So Lori Carpenter from Stadler & Company Tax Services is here to break it all down for us. Hi, Lori. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Now, the IRS loves to keep us on our toes.
Oh, yes.
So tell me about this changing tax law concerning unemployment.
All right, so there was brand new law signed into law just a little over a week ago, and it said that $10,200 of your unemployment dollars are not going to be taxable this year. And that means if you've already filed, you might want to file an amendment so you get some more refund.
Okay, and that doesn't mean, just because we hear the word amendment, that doesn't mean that you did something wrong the first time around. You just have to now change because the IRS can't make up their mind.
That's about right, yeah. They changed the law right in the middle of the season, so if you had already filed, you wouldn't have known this was coming.
Now, they've also added an additional child tax law or something like that, right?
Yeah, so the child tax credit right now is $2,000 per qualifying child, but that's going to bump up to $3,600 per qualifying child. It depends on their age and some other factors. They got to qualify for that, but that could be a nice little bump in your refund as well.
I was just about to say, yeah, that's great. Like, for anybody, I know there's a lot of people filing their kids on their taxes, so now you guys get a little bump in, you know, whatever it is that you're going to get back. Now, this I know is for everybody, myself included. Talk to me about this student loan forbearance.
So they started from last March to say you can put your student loan into forbearance based on your situation because of the coronavirus. And they just extended that through this coming October. So that forbearance can let you stop payments up through this coming October if you're in a bad situation.
Now, with tax day, we were just talking before the show, and I didn't know that Indiana could announce that they're not going to conform, or they will conform to some of these tax laws that are being passed by the IRS, and tax day was just extended, right?
They did. So yesterday, Indiana said we are going to conform to the May 17th tax day. So that's good news. It makes it a little easier for us filing, that we can just file both at the same time and not worry about penalties and interest.
Okay. Yeah. Now, we also, a few weeks ago, we talked about charitable donations, and they've also made a change to that. It seems like everything we've already talked about, they were watching us.
I know.
And they said, we're going to make some amendments here.
Just in case you thought you knew what was going on.
Right. So tell us about the change in the charitable donation.
So for Indiana, they have not yet conformed to accept that $300 above the line charitable donations, or the possibility of spreading your retirement distribution over 3 years, or that unemployment, the $10,200 that we just talked about. Indiana does not yet recognize that. So it's currently, all three of those are an add back, and you have to add all that income that you could deduct. You have to add it back on Indiana. But there's good news.
Okay.
The General Assembly is in session, and they are looking at a policy bill that would conform us with all of those things. So right now they're saying if you have one of those things on your return, you might want to just hold off and see if they decide to conform or not, because it's up in the air right now.
Now, let's talk to the older audience right now about retirement, because that's had a little change in it also.
So if you had a coronavirus-related retirement distribution, number one, you can get it without having a penalty on it if you're below the age where you can take it. And then also you have the option of paying the tax on the whole thing for 2020, or spreading it out over 2020, 21, 22. So that could lower your taxable income for this year and then raise it up the next couple, depending on what you want to do. So you've got some choices. Yeah. Which you don't always have choices when it comes to your tax return.
Now, tell me about the Indiana Department of Revenue, when, you know, what they're doing. I know we spoke briefly about that, but what was the big change that you were talking about?
So the big thing is making that tax law so that they would conform with the federal or not. So they'll basically just say, yes, we're going to conform to everything that the federal government has already stated, or they might say we're going to conform to some of it and not part of it. So that's still up in the air. Hopefully we'll find out before too long what they're going to do so we can make sure everybody's return is submitted correctly.
Yeah, that's, look, I'm just telling you, I would have never known all of this. That's why these segments are so important, and it's so important to make sure that you are with a tax professional, because just over my head, I would have never even thought to kind of look into, is the IRS making any amendments that I need to know about? I haven't done it in years past, so I know I wouldn't know now. But thank you so much for being here, Lori.
It's always a pleasure.
Yes, I know that somebody is benefiting from this, even if it's just me, because I know I just got a lot of useful information. Right. Okay, and can you tell people where they can go for more information?
Absolutely. They can contact us at stadlertax.com. Check out our website. You can check out our Facebook, Stadler & Company Tax and Accounting, or just give us a call, and all of our numbers for our offices are on the website.
Yes, guys, stay right there because we have more Good Day Live when we get back.